Greetings, Salesforce enthusiasts. In this educational session, we're diving deep into the realm of Salesforce Flow, Flow Builder, and the magic of flows. By the end, you'll not only understand the synergy between these elements, but also identify opportunities to revolutionize your business processes through automation. To start, let's demystify some flow-related terms that you might have encountered. This encompasses everything in Salesforce that empowers you to create, manage, and run automation with clicks, not code. It includes products like flow orchestration and flow integration powered by MuleSoft. An automation configuration saved in Salesforce with the structure of a flowchart. It automates business processes by collecting and utilizing data, impacting both your Salesforce org and external systems. The primary tool for crafting flows, which we'll explore further in the next unit. Enthusiasts who love creating flows using Flow Builder. Flows, resembling flowcharts, have the unique ability to execute the steps in a process. Flows can be considered a form of visual coding, where clicks replace code, but an understanding of programming concepts and logic is still crucial. Unlike traditional flowcharts, flows can actively execute the steps in a process, providing a whole new level of power. Flows outshine other automation tools in Salesforce, offering a vast range of capabilities. Here are some examples. When it comes to automation, understanding when to use Flow is key. Declarative tools like Flow Builder should be your first consideration before delving into custom code options. Automation created with declarative tools is generally easier to create and support. Learning code takes more time and can be challenging, making it less accessible. While there are instances where custom code is necessary, many common automation scenarios can be efficiently built in flows. The decision between flows and code hinges on the specific requirements of your business process. Congratulations! You've navigated through the intricate world of Salesforce Flow, Flow Builder, and flows. The power to revolutionize your business processes is now at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.